Today we're visiting the Muriwai gannet colony, a significant wildlife sanctuary located on Auckland's west coast.
See how they're all coming closer towards us?
Yeah.
Great, and it looks really great with the sea in the background, doesn't it? Beautiful.
The cliffs at Muriwai are steep, open and brushed by the sea breezes, a perfect nesting environment. Gannets mate for life and return to the same nest year after year.
Oh, that's great.
Look, I got it, open wings, see?
With the bountiful food close by, the adult birds can raise strong and healthy chicks.
They seem to be flying close to the water again. Here's one coming up.
After the chicks mature, they make the first flight across the Tasman Sea. Years later, they will return to the colony to breed. A short walk brings us to Maori Beach and surrounding bushland, which is home to a variety of bird life, including fantails and the occasional penguin. Black sand in the area is rich in iron, formed by eroding volcanoes once common in the area. White-fronted terns nest under the cliffs. Another wonderful day out amongst nature.